In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Asana for Gmail add-on to turn emails into tasks. If you're tired of copying and pasting details from your inbox into your task list, this workflow will save you time and keep everything organized. We'll install the Asana for Gmail add-on, authorize it for your account, turn an email into a task right from Gmail, and add the key details like the project and due date before saving. Start by installing the add-on from the Google Workspace Marketplace. You can access the marketplace from within Gmail or by searching for it online. Look for Asana for Gmail, open the listing, and select Install. When prompted, review the permissions and confirm. This simply allows the add-on to appear in your Gmail sidebar so you can work with emails more efficiently. Once it's installed, open Gmail and look at the right-hand sidebar. You should see the Asana icon. Click it to open the add-on panel. The first time you use it, you'll be asked to sign in and authorize access to your Asana account. Choose the correct workspace or organization if you have more than one. This one-time authorization connects Gmail to Asana so your tasks can be created with a single click. Now open any email you want to track as work. With the Asana panel open, you'll see an option to create a task. Click Create Task, and the add-on will automatically pull in the email subject as the task title and place the email content into the task description. This keeps important context together so you don't lose the original message. If there's extra text or signatures you don't need, you can trim the description before saving. Before you finalize the task, add the key details. Choose the appropriate project so your task lands in the right place, and set a due date to give it a clear timeline. You can also refine the task name to make it action-oriented and add any relevant notes in the description. Taking a few extra seconds here reduces follow-up work later. When everything looks good, click Save or Create in the add-on. You'll see a confirmation that the task has been added to Asana. It will appear in the project you selected and will include a link back to the original email, making it easy to revisit the thread if needed. That's it. Install and authorize the add-on, convert the email into a task, then add the project and due date before saving. With this setup, your inbox becomes a fast, reliable way to capture work directly into Asana.